Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I was asked this question by several people. If you have bad credit, go to annualcreditreport.com. Again, annualcreditreport.com. Go over each credit account or just in each account in general on your credit report. All the adverse accounts, adverse means that they were not satisfactorily paid. You need to contact each company and work out a payment plan. If you owe them money, you need to pay it. If you don't have enough money, ask the company to forgive some or all of the debt. They may say no, they may say yes. Work out a payment plan with each company that reported negative information to the credit agencies, okay? If possible, ask them to remove the late marks. There's no guarantee, but try. The other thing is you need to get a secured credit card. Use it very lightly and pay it off immediately each month. There's no way to build good credit without using credit cards. Again, please use credit cards and pay them off immediately. Don't pay interest, okay? If you have bad credit, dispute each negative account with each credit agency. Contact each company that reported the negative account. Pay off any debt. If necessary, get a second or third job so you can get good credit. You need good credit to get a good car loan or get a good house loan or in a decent decent insurance premium for your car, okay? Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please contact me. Have a great day.